In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Game's slow download speed. Let's start with the simplest fix: reduce the competition for your internet. Close anything that uses a lot of bandwidth while Steam is running. That means shutting down other downloads, pausing cloud backups, stopping any streaming videos, and closing extra browser tabs. The fewer apps fighting for your connection, the more Steam can use. Whenever possible, plug in with an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. A wired connection is more stable, has lower latency, and often delivers noticeably faster, more consistent download speeds. If you must use Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the 5 GHz band rather than 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band is less crowded and better for speed at short to medium range. On many routers, the 5 GHz network name ends with a 5G or 5 GHz, so pick that one if you see it. Next, think beyond your own device. Other devices on your network can quietly soak up bandwidth. Pause streaming on TVs, stop game updates on consoles, and hold off on phone or tablet backups while Steam is downloading. Even smart home devices can add up. Now let's optimize Steam itself. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads. If you've set a bandwidth limit in the past, remove it or set limit bandwidth to no limit. This ensures Steam isn't artificially capping your speed. In that same Downloads section, change your download region. Choose a server close to where you are physically. If your nearest region is busy, trying a nearby alternative can sometimes perform better. The goal is to reduce latency and route your traffic through a less congested server. Still in Downloads, decide whether you want Steam to continue fetching data while you play. Enable Allow downloads during gameplay if you prefer your library to keep updating in the background. Just remember, some games may share resources with downloads, so you may see slightly lower in-game performance on slower connections. Finally, clear Steam's download cache. In Settings, open Downloads and select Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary data that can become corrupted and slow or stall downloads. After clearing, Steam will restart and you may need to log back in, but it can resolve stubborn speed issues caused by stuck or damaged files. Thanks for watching.